Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do English speaking practice with a new short story. First, you'll have to listen to the story and then you'll get a moral lesson at the end of the story. So, without any delay, let's get started. Once upon a time, a farmer had a goose that laid a golden egg every day. The farmer used to sell that egg and earn enough money to meet their family's day-to-day needs. One day the farmer thought that if he could get more such golden eggs and make a lot of money and become a wealthy person. The farmer decided to cut the goose and remove all the golden eggs from its stomach. As soon as they killed the bird and opened the goose's stomach, they found no eggs. The foolish farmer realized that they had destroyed their last resource out of greed. The moral we get from this story is greed destroys your resources. Thank you very much for watching this video.